So it's November 19th today. We're heading over to the property ferry. Yeah, we call it our ferry property, with the auger and 2 wagons. And well, 2 wagons are already there over there, and my mom is bringing the tractor and another 2 wagons. But we're going to fill up our 4 wagons and get it ready. So tomorrow is when the semi is coming to truck the corn to a different elevator. So haven't done that before. Obviously my dad and my uncles, they did that quite a bit, but it's newer to me, so we're gonna try it out. But Hudson is excited to share what we're doing today.
What?
We're gonna combine?
Oh, yeah.
Are you excited to combine?
Yeah, of course.
Who's behind us?
Lucy.
Yeah, you already said that, didn't you?
Yeah, you said it when we started.
Yeah.
Let's end the video.
Yeah, well, we'll get more content when we'll get more video when we get over to the barn, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Okay, over to the barn. Time to get things around and ready. Not ready. Going. The biggest thing that takes the longest time is getting the bin extensions up, because I have both the extensions and the tip up, so it takes a little while to get those out. But should be a good day, hopefully. Weather is nice, sunny out. Hudson, Alyssa are here to ride. Really excited about that. But first things, we'll check the oil in the combine. This barn door. I don't know if the track sank just a little bit, but it's been rather tricky. I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand. So check the oil in the combine. Already did the tractor. Good enough. Got some hydraulic oil to fill it, top it off, but yeah. Let's oops. Almost forgot. I remember when my dad, when they moved from a Massey Ferguson to the 7720 Titan II, I was just amazed by the amount of the ladder in the back and being able to walk around it. And then they got the John Deere 9500, and I was even more amazed by that because you had that compartment in the engine compartment in the back that you could get to. But then this 9760, even better yet, being able to open the panels up, get into the back. I really like it. So not that nobody, if you watch my videos, you've seen me do this before, but hopefully it starts up. There we go. Okay, got my wrenches, got my cap cord. Didn't mean to do that, but time to put the bin extensions up. Takes just a little while. already know Hudson's a YouTube person. Alyssa's not. Are we emptying into your wagon, Huds?
Yes. Look at it. I did it all by myself.
Maybe we'll clean up the sample a little bit. Well, time to go get the combine up the hill. I just to see how long it would take, I did empty both wagons into my other 2 wagons for time purposes. What did I figure? A little bit longer than I thought, about 15 minutes per wagon. That was probably 1,300 bushels. I think I have room to be a little bit more efficient. It's a pretty fun set. I'm like out of breath. Lots of deer gunshots. It is deer season, so hunting season. But yeah, before I talk anymore with being out of breath, I'm gonna get into the combine. Well, this is better. I'm not huffing and puffing so much. The video quality isn't the best because it's pretty late at night, but yeah, I'll get some going forward. But back combining, so far, I mean, it's been running 16.5 to 17.5% moisture, so I definitely can be disappointed about that. So yield is picking up. I don't think it's going to get to what I want it to, but I've done most of the bad parts of the field, so it should keep going up from there. To put it into perspective, from the deer damage on the end rows, it went from 85 bushels per acre. It's up to 106. So, and there's quite a few acres of deer damage. So, hopefully it keeps going up. I'm guessing it's only going to get up to like 120, which is really bad to say, but it's just the nature of the year. So yeah, I'll turn this around so you actually get some combining video.